What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new dashboard in Jira. So first off, head over to your Jira's website and then you need to log in with your Jira account. And after that, on the right side here, you will see the button to create. So click on that. And after that here, you just simply need to create your new project, or you can just choose from these projects. And the another shortcut for creating a new project is you need to hover to this project section and then click on this plus icon to create a new project. And after that, a new window will open. So from here, you can just simply choose the project type like Kanban, IT service management, or product roadmap, or you can just choose from these bundles like IT team bundle or marketing team bundle. You can choose. Let's say I am creating a project in IT team bundle. So I just chose on create projects. And here are the two projects which are built in, which are already here in the bundle. I'll just simply click on create two projects and then this will create my new project. So as you can see, my new project has been created, and from here I can just simply edit these name, and let's say this is the in progress. So I will just click on it once and then I will just simply keep it the progress section and I'll hit enter, and this will change after that when I save it finally. And to view the board of your project, you just simply need to click on board, and then to visit the calendar, you can just simply click on this calendar icon to view the calendar of your project. And if you want to just watch the overall summary of your project, click on this summary button here on the left side, and then here you will see all the summary of your project. And after that, here in the timeline section, you can just simply create some new timelines, like some new items, and you need whether you need to keep it as a task or you can just manage your work types. As you can see, here is the task work type. I can just simply name it something else. And after that, here I need to enter the summary, the description, the context fields like whom I want to assign and who is the reporter, the priority, labels, due date, start date, category, and to which particular team I want to appoint it. And after that, I'll just get back, and here the item will be added, and then this will be uh, appeared to all the team members in your project which are assigned here in this project. And if you want to add approvals to your workflow, you need to purchase the premium version of Jira. And here are the forms section. So from here, you can just simply create a new form by just clicking create form. And after that, here the form editor window will open. So from here, you can add the summary and the question. The answers will be written here. And when you are done, you can just simply add these fields and it will auto save. And if you want to add another fields, you can also drag it. And then as you can see, the project form has been automatically saved, and you can also unlock it so that everyone should access it. When you click on these three dots here, you can also deactivate or delete this form. And when you click on these pages here on the right side here, you will see all the pages, like all the documents and the problems here. You can also just write it here. And then in the attachment section here, you will see all the attached files, documents, whatever your teammate or anyone in your team members, or if you personally have attached any of the files, photos, or videos or audios, you can just simply see it all here. And when I click on all work here, this is where all the work is stored, like all the records of the works are stored. For example, if you have given or assigned any work to your team members, so when they just finish it, they can just move it here to the work section so that the work will be done. And you can also check the assigned, reporter priority and status of your work. And when you click on reports here, you can see all the reports like the average age report and pie chart report. You can just see the report in your own form, like you can just choose from these forms and then you can see the report of your company in your way. And when you click on the shortcuts here, these are the shortcuts. Like I have the Kanban shortcut and I'll click on add shortcut. I can just simply enter the external web address and then the name of it, and then I'll click on add so that the shortcuts will be added. And when you click on connectors for Salesforce and Jira, here you will see all the connectors that are for Salesforce and Jira. As you can see, for Jira Cloud, this is the connector for Salesforce and Jira. If you want to start it, just simply click on Start Configuration and it will configure automatically, or you just have to simply enter some details to configure it manually. And if you want to add something more to navigation, click on this plus icon and then you can add the board section, but it is already there. So I don't want to add anything here at my navigation. And when I click on board here, the board section will appear like whatever board and cards that you have created. You can just simply use it from here. And if you have any issues, you can just click on more actions. And from here, you can click on project settings. After clicking on project settings here, these are the details. As you can see, the details contain the name of the project key, the category that we want to choose, and the project lead and the default assignee. And after that, in the access section here, you will see that to whom you have given the access of the project. In the notification section, you will receive all the notifications of your Jira projects or anything related to your Jira project. When you click on automation here, you will see all the external or internal automation that you have added in your project. And when you click on fields here, you will see multiple fields like the assignee, category, due date, labels, priority, parent, multiple fields. As you can see in the automation section here, you can just simply click on these templates and then you can just use these AI agents or you can just use these workflows to manage your project or to manage a design. And when you click on work types here, a drop-down list will appear. So click on task and it will appear that if you want to add a task, you can also add it from here. And you can also add a subtask from here by just clicking on the subtask. As you can see, when you click on the subtask here, the subtask window will appear. You can just enter the details and save the changes, and then that will be uploaded. And when you click on this app section here, these are the mapping configurations, the Microsoft Teams integration, and the Slack integration. So if you want to integrate your Slack or Microsoft Teams, you can also do that. And I currently have not bound my project to a connection, so that's why it's showing an error. And this is where you can just configure your mapping configuration. So this is how you can make the dashboards in Jira and you can track all the progress. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.